Good morning. It is my stepmother's godfather's birthday.
Godfathers?
Godmother, wow, smart. So we have like the whole family over. We're kind of throwing a little party. Bye. 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 Oh man, so that was quite the interesting way to start out the day. Hey Noah, what's next? I don't know. I remember there is something to do. Welcome to Kayaking Round 2, Family Edition. Are you ready, bro? Let's do this. See ya! Whoa, hello there.
Hello.
Hey, Chloe. Ah!
With me, I will definitely just
You will what?
with water.
What will you do? What will you do? I've made enemies with too many people. Oh my gosh, it's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day, I say. Today, on the lake, with my family. That almost worked. Don't at me. Oh! I was this close to flopping in. I know. You actually can. It's really hard.
It feels weird.
Oh yeah! Whoa!
I cannot
Oh!
stay back.
Oh, okay. Harsh but deserved. Just like that! I totally missed. Don't think about what's in the water. You'll be much happier if you don't. Speaking from experience. I also realized this is definitely a great angle you're seeing right up my crotch. Lovely. Isn't this fun though?
I'm really struggling.
Whoa!
Not very good.
Collision! Oh shoot! I'm an idiot. That was awesome. But unfortunately, all good things, must come to an end. That was just for the shot. I'll actually pull it up now. Did everyone have a great time?
Yeah!
What was your favorite part?
I like seeing the egret land down on the water.
What about you, Clojo?
I like going in the water.
What about you, Noah?
I like seeing you fall in.
Fair. There was plenty of that happening. Gosh. And look at that. We are back at my mother's place. Although notice I am not unpacking anything, and there's a reason for that. That reason is because I need to be all packed up for tomorrow. Because right now, as you are watching this, well, assuming you're watching this the same day I released it. I mean, if you're watching this 2 years in the future, who knows where I am? But right now, if you're watching this on July 29th, oh, I have no idea what time it is. If you're watching this on August 1st, I am on my way up to Nashville to hang out with some friends, and I'm really pumped about that. And I'm mainly telling you all of this because I just needed a good way to end this vlog and could not think of anything else because nothing else interesting is happening for the rest of the day. So I will see you tomorrow in Nashville, or on the road to Nashville. And in the meantime, remember, stay positive. Whew, smooth, Chris. That was flawless, definitely.
This is me, I'm still on it, 'cause you all wanna be loved.